Hello, my name is Galen Bray, and when I was 5 years old, I was diagnosed with epilepsy. Epilepsy is a brain disorder in which a person experiences repeated seizures over a long period of time, and these seizures can result in incontinence, difficulty or inability to breathe, blue skin coloration, abnormal movements, salivation, convulsions, and or nausea depending on the severity. Epilepsy is caused by damage to brain tissue either present at birth or that arises after brain trauma, and this can lead to membrane depolarization, which can lead to electrical misfires in your brain. That can lead to a lot of electrical instability. A lot of people have a misconception of what a seizure looks like. They tend to think they look kind of like. The fact is, there are several types of seizures, all of which are caused by electrical hyperexcitability in one's brain. In the case of major seizures, this hyperexcitability is due to principal neurons in a cortex forming synapses with inhibitory neurons, which then form synapses to the principal neurons, creating a negative feedback loop. These types of seizures are generally called absence or petit mal seizures, which are characterized by an extended pause in what the subject is doing and a blank stare. Or a grand mal, which is also known as a tonic-clonic seizure, and it's characterized by erratic muscle contractions, or even possibly a myoclonic seizure, which is characterized by one short contraction of muscles that could be isolated to one group or to a more generalized group affecting a larger area. There are several ways to treat epileptic seizures, the primary being medication, which regulates the seizure so the brain can repair itself. It prevents a buildup of the Na plus ions that would be required to have a seizure. However, another option for epilepsy treatment is a strain of cannabis that has none of the THC, which is the stuff that gets you high, and a lot of CBD, which is the stuff that helps with mental illness. This is called Hippie's Disappointment, but it was renamed Charlotte's Web after the incredible extent to which it improved a young girl named Charlotte Fige's life. She was having grand mal seizures every 25 minutes, and after being put on this for just a couple weeks, she was reduced to 2 a week, so that's pretty major. I hope you've learned a lot about the cause, effect, and treatment of epilepsy, and hopefully you can come out of this a more informed individual. Goodbye.